We all know data backup is important. But what happens when you actually need to restore this backup? While the backup itself is important, the ability to recover that data quickly when disaster strikes is equally essential. Every second of downtime costs you. Bactopus is designed to address the challenges you might face with backup and restore operations for Microsoft 365 data. It provides 35 restore options for a wide range of items, including emails, files, folders, sites, and Teams chats. See all restore details in Bactopus: creation time, duration, initiator, and status of restored data from Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams. Bactopus offers automated backups and simple recovery options, all powered by secure cloud technology. Don't forget, experience is the best proof, so feel free to try out on your own. Contact us today.